Alright, we're looking good on turn marshals. Everybody lined up. Driver's ready, corner marshal's ready. At the start of the zone. Uh-oh. Gotta find the nose. Alright, drivers, here we go. Looks like Randy and Hernan are getting into it out there. Oh, Randy gets past Hernan. Hernan trying to get that place back. Randy screaming down that straightaway. Hernan right on his heels. We also have Zane on third. Randy Horn fourth. Matt coming in fifth. Joe coming in sixth. Gonzo seventh. Billy eighth. Carl ninth. First and second is Randy Dosher and Hernan Gorilla, followed by Zane Horn.
And the running order is 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9, 5.
You're not getting past Randy there in the triple section, Randy reckon. Now Hernan takes over first place. Oh, looks like Zane takes over first place, Hernan in second place. Randy Dosher in third place. Here comes first place down the back of the front straightaway. Yeah, Zane Horn number 1, Randy Dosher number 2, Randy Horn number 3, Hernando Corella number 4, Matt number 5, Billy number 6, Joe 7, Carl. Joe 7, Gonzo 8, Carl 9. They're not trying to get that second place position back.
Into this race. And the running order is 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 9, 8, 7, 5.
Here comes the lead driver. Minutes, 30 seconds left in this race. We still have Zane Horn out in front. Randy Dosher second. Hernan Gorilla third. Randy Horn fourth. Joey Wilder fifth. Matt Snake sixth. Joe seventh. Gonzo eighth. Carl is ninth.
Currently, 2 minutes into this race. And the running order is 2, 3, 1, 4, 9, 6, 8, 7, 5.
Like Hernando's up there trying to lose some body parts. The tailgate's falling off. We still have Zane Horn out front. Randy closing in right behind him. Hernando in third. Randy Horn in fourth. Billy fifth. Matt sixth. Joe seventh. Gonzo eighth. Carl ninth. Gonzo going into the red.
And the running order is 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7,
Looks like yeah, Zane out there. See if you can hold on to it. Long time to go. Watch the dip in the straightaway. Randy, Messmate, Joe, Carl, Gonzo. Gonzo out there flipping around. Somebody grab him.
And the running order is 2, 3, 1, nothing, 4, 6, 8, 5, 7, halfway number 5.
Having to pull off. Gonzo on his roof again. Man coming across the finish line. Smoothly around the bench in there. Zane Horn. Randy Dosher. Matt Snake moving up to the third. Randy Horn in fourth. Billy in fifth. Hernan in sixth. Joe in seventh. Carl in eighth.
And the running order is 2, 3, 6, 4, 9, 1, 8, 5, 7.
It's clear. Quickly, Tim Marshall.
That wind.
Rubber paint somebody. Matt getting a little breathing on him now. That was Matt and Randy out there doing paint. We have 2 minutes left in this race. Zane Horn, Randy Dusty, Matt Snake, Randy Horn, Billy Walker, Carl, Gonzo.
4, 9, 8, 5, 7, 1.
Matt hanging tough in that third place. Watch the end of the straightaway, guys.
6, 4, 9, 8, 5, 7, 1.
That snake there is running in third place. Let him go, let him go.
30 seconds, drivers.
Last lap.
20 seconds remaining. That is your third place, please. Watch out for him. The blue and yellow truck is third place.
Finish your laps.
Matt trying to get a lap on Gonzo there. Did he get it? No, Gonzo.